friends. Wanted to show you my 2007 Yamaha Virago 250. This is a V-twin 5-speed, my newest purchase. I'm very pleased with it. I mean, look at this thing. It's 14 years old. 14 years old. Amazing, isn't it? I think so. It's virtually like new in every regard. You hardly look at it out in the sun. The chrome shines so much and so well. But I'm real happy with it. I've been working my way through my bucket list. If you've followed me and watched my other videos, you know I've owned quite a few motorcycles in the last couple of years. I owned an 800, a 750, a 650, a 500, a 400, and 4 250s. I also owned a C70 Honda Passport, and I owned the other small Honda, what was it called? It was a 1970 something that I owned, the little green one, Honda Express. That was a 50, and I owned a Buddy, a genuine Buddy. I owned a Reflex. I owned a Helix. So my point in all of this motorcycle madness is I've just been trying to find the one that's best suited for me for running around town, running errands, getting great gas mileage, going to the bank, going to the post office, going to the gym, going to the beach, those kinds of things. This one, I think, is where I'm finally going to settle. I liked the 250 scooters, the Helix and the Reflex. I loved them, actually. Automatic transmission, water-cooled. They were just lovely. The ergonomics were wonderful, so comfortable. But they're kind of a pain to work on because you have to take all the plastic parts off before you get to the engine and the drivetrain. So I thought, well, maybe a small motorcycle that gets great gas mileage but is easier to work on to do basic maintenance would be a better choice for me, as long as I could find one that was comfortable. I'm 5'11", I have a 32-inch inseam, I weigh around 210 pounds, and the Rebel was just too small for me. I felt cramped on it. So I'd been hearing about these Virago 250s. The controls, the foot controls, are more farther forward than on the Rebel, as you can see right there. The shifter and the brake pedal are pretty far forward. And I can honestly say, for my 32-inch inseam, this is a comfortable bike. Could it be a little more stretched out? Of course, but then I'm getting into a bigger bike, and I don't want a bigger bike. I'm really fishing for gas mileage, fuel economy. This one reportedly should get between 75 and 80, and I know a guy that actually got over 90 on his by driving it sanely. So I found this one super clean, like new, owned by an 83-year-old. I didn't know there was anybody actually older than me, but I guess there are a few of them left. And he was done riding. Garage kept all of its life. 14 years old, 10,000 miles, 2 owners before me. And the guy I bought it from only owned it for 2 years. So a really good find. I really like it. It's got plenty of power to go 70 miles an hour if that's your thing. It'll get there pretty quickly. It's got a nice V-twin, kind of low-end rumble to it, which is nice. But it's small, it's lightweight, and it is, as we say, flickable. You can move it around the garage, you can travel, you can go real slow in traffic, or, and it's very easy to hold it up. It's got a 27-inch seat height, so I can flat-foot it very easily. Windshield is nice. I'm really impressed with this little motorcycle, and I think I will keep it for a while. Maybe forever. Yeah, right. So there you have it. 07 Yamaha Virago 250. Ride safe out there, you guys. And don't ever forget, God loves you just because you are you. That is the truth. And I'm Mike Green, here to tell you the truth. Have a wonderful day.